On the job 2, working with isometric drawings. So some people get a better sense of what an object will look like if a drawing appears in 3D. Photographs have this type of 3D effect. The drawing of the garage shown is not a photograph, but it gives the illusion of being 3D. You can create this effect using an isometric drawing. So an isometric drawing is a view of a 3D object in which all horizontal edges of the object are drawn at a 30-degree angle, and all vertical edges of the object are drawn vertically. All lines are drawn to scale. So remember Nicole? In the last On the Job, Nicole's company was bidding on a job to design and build a garage. The dimensions of the garage were approximately 20 feet long, 12 feet wide, and 12 feet high. So in the last On the Job, we drew an orthographic drawing of the garage. Now we're going to create an isometric drawing. So to create an isometric drawing, we're going to use something called isometric dot paper, and that allows us to draw the lines at those specific angles without having to measure them. She's not going to include the slight overhang on the roof, just to make life a little bit easier. Okay. So step 1, she's going to draw a vertical line to connect 2 dots, and it's the beginning of the left side of the garage. So you can see here, she's just going to make a little start to the left side of the garage right there. Okay. The scale between 2 dots in an isometric drawing is considered 2 feet. So if you look, this line would be considered 2 feet long. Step 2, we're going to connect the bottom of this line to a dot that's at a 30-degree angle from it. So that would be, we're going to take the bottom of the line and connect it to a dot that's at a 30-degree angle from it. So that's right there. This distance still, even though it seems a little bit longer, it's still only 2 feet because it's from dot to dot. So we're going to extend this line to represent 12 feet. So since each space is 2 feet, we need to extend it 6 spaces. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that represents the 12-foot width of the garage. So in step 3, from the end point of this line that we just drew, we're going to draw another line to represent the 20-foot length of the garage. So we're going to go up in this direction, and we're going to go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So at another 30-degree angle since we've changed directions, and we're going along the 20-foot length of the garage. Okay. Okay, so the height of the garage below the roof is 8 feet. So what we want to do is represent those lines. So from each corner, we're going to go up 8 feet. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. And 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so those represent the height of our walls. And then keeping in mind the distance between adjacent dots is 2 feet, complete the diagram. So I can complete this wall here, and I can complete this wall here. I can put my door in like this. I can put my roof in here. Oh, sorry. 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So there's part of my roof. Oh, making a mess now. So I can bring this down like that. And here. And there. Continue this wall. And finish up my roof right there. And that's what our barn should look like. So if you count, there are 6 spaces in the front, which represents 12 feet. There are 10 spaces along the side, which represents 20 feet. There are 4 spaces high, which represents the 8 feet. We have our roof on there and our door. And that is our isometric drawing of the barn.